You have already studied acceleration due to gravity. That means the acceleration produced in a free falling body is called acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted by a small letter g. And you have also studied what is the value of g. The value of g is gm by r square. And you have also studied that acceleration due to gravity is independent of mass of the body. Whether a body is light or heavier, all bodies have same acceleration due to gravity. G equals to gm by r square. Here we will study how acceleration due to gravity varies according to height, according to depth, according to place. That means see how will it change when you go from pole to equator. From pole to equator. We shall discuss variation of acceleration due to gravity on these 3 points. First point is according to height. Now this is Earth. This is radius of the Earth. You know the radius of the Earth is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. That means 6,400 kilometer. So here the value of g is gm by r square. But what will be value at a height h meter away from the surface of the Earth? How acceleration due to gravity changes when we go above at certain height h above the surface of the Earth. See here, g equals to gm by r square. Suppose at this point the value of g is this, but suppose at this point the value of g is g dash. So therefore g by g dash, the value of g is this, and what will be the value of g dash? Gm by r plus h square. Total distance will be r plus h, radius of the Earth plus height. So g by g dash will be equals to gm by r square into r plus h square by gm. G cancel. So g by g dash will be equals to r plus h square by r square. That means here r plus h square will be naturally greater than r square. Therefore r plus h will also be greater than r. So here if r plus h is greater or r plus h square will be greater, that means g will be greater than g dash. That means when we go above at certain height h, the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases. We are studying how acceleration due to gravity varies according to certain points. First point was according to height, and we saw that the acceleration due to gravity decreases with height. The acceleration due to gravity decreases with height. Now we will verify what will happen to acceleration due to gravity when you go inside the Earth. That means how acceleration due to gravity varies with depth. How does acceleration due to vary with depth? See, this is Earth, and this is the radius of the Earth, but we went inside h meter depth inside the Earth. So we know at the surface of the Earth the value of acceleration due to gravity is g into gm by r square as usual. And suppose at this point the acceleration due to gravity will be g dash. So g by g dash, the value of g is gm by r square, and the value of G dash will be Gm dash by R minus H square. M dash, I have written M dash. Why I have written M dash? Because at this point, if we are going to calculate acceleration due to gravity at certain depth h, that means at this point, the effective mass of Earth will not be whole mass of the Earth, but this mass of the Earth is effective, and I have supposed this mass is M dash. So what will happen here? G by G dash, that means Gm by R squared into R minus H squared by Gm dash. G cancel. So what will happen? G by G dash equals to M. Mass of the Earth means volume into density. Mass means volume into density. So here volume means volume of Earth is more or less spherical in shape, and you know the volume of a sphere can be given by formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. And suppose the density of the Earth, average density is d, and r minus h square. Likewise r square here, and m dash means v dash into d. V dash will be what? Volume of a sphere can be given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube means r is here what? R minus h cube into d. So what will be G by G dash? 4 by 3 cancelled, pi cancelled, d cancelled, r cube cancelled by r square will be r minus h cube will be cancelled by r minus h square will be r minus h. That means here naturally r minus h will be less than r. So, or you can write r is greater than r minus h. Therefore, G will be greater than G dash. So, if we go inside the Earth, the acceleration due to gravity will decrease.